before planning begins. Enhanced planning services for heavy industry. In this video presentation overview, we'll look at the fundamentals of planning related to Prepac, preparation and packaging, systems methodology, before planning begins, covering these key aspects. Customer value, efficient and effective. Scope of work and scope of scope, data and information, Prepac, preparation and packaging, systems methodology, and finally, building quality and safety into the plan. Let's begin with customer value as it pertains to efficient and effective. Efficient. Planning services ensure the workforce executes direct work in the most efficient manner without compromising safety or quality. Value is measured in direct resource tool time performance and indirect support utilization. Effective. Planning services ensure that the materials and installations align with the Reliability Asset Management Program to increase production asset reliability and process availability. Value is measured by asset reliability and process availability at the lowest risk cost to the organization and its shareholders. And now let's familiarize ourselves with scope of work and scope of scope. Scope of work, direct or scope of services, indirect, is a short text task description field on a work request or notification sufficient for high-level estimates and authorization for expenditure. Scope of scope provides specifics necessary for detailed planning and job package assembly. Let's look at the scope of work short text description for an exchanger, which states, open, clean, inspect, repair. The scope of scope determines cleaning requirements, inspection type, and potential repairs. Next, let's compare data and information and learn their unique importance for pre-planning. Data. Electronically stored files containing records of text, drawings, photos, and numbers retrievable for planning reference before planning begins. For example, bill of materials, history, or specifications. Data is generally more secure and accurate provided data integrity and document control procedures are reliable. More on this later. Information, generally more subjective, shared through communication with requester, emails, or key stakeholder input. For example, process operations specifying cleaning procedures, or asset integrity inspection providing inspection and test plans, or health, safety, environment contributing to job hazard assessments. Now we'll learn about Prepac, preparation and packaging, systems methodology, and how this process enhances pre-planning. Preparation. Before planning begins, all data and information have been identified and retrieved based on scope of scope. This would include a job package cover sheet, field visit, photos, surveys, measurements, drawings, specifications, vendor recommendations, history and stakeholders' contributions, marked up drawings, inspection and test plans, contractor agreements, and engineering, for example. Packaging. Following preparation before planning begins, a job package is assembled based on cover sheet content requirements. For example, lockout, tagout, inspection and test plans, management of change, engineering, cleaning, materials, surveys, job hazard assessments, etc. Finally, let's learn about building quality and safety into each job plan and package as part of the Prepac systems methodology before planning begins. Quality. Building quality into the plan is also essential, but not always obvious. In a subsequent lesson, we'll learn about quality as it pertains to assurance and control. Furthermore, we'll learn about quality from a PSM standard. Safety. Building safety into the plan is essential for obvious reasons, which we'll learn about in detail in a subsequent lesson. For now, it's important to understand that safety and risk management are key PSM considerations. End of video presentation. Be sure to download the following PDF of this video text and study guide in preparation for the assessment quiz at the end of this course.